Are you looking to purchase a home and not sure how to get started? We're here to help. Whether it's your first or fifth home, investment, or vacation property, we are here every step of the way. Helping you through the pre-approval process, understanding your budget, discussing your finance options, and explaining the closing costs to get you ready. We will guide you through all the stages of purchasing a home and help lead you to the closing. Having the necessary resources to help you make the right decisions when purchasing a home. Proud to be a certified military relocation professional with years of experience working with military clients using VA loans. We are your local experts with over 11 years of experience and certified in 13 fields of professional real estate training.
I just closed on my property today, Mark Montross. Excellent work again, as usual. I've used Mark on multiple occasions to buy and sell property, and I want to thank him and his team for doing excellent work again. Thank you, Mark.
Work with a team of professionals that places your needs first, above all.
Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. If you're looking to purchase a home, give me a call today. You can reach me here at 802-825-1353, or you can email me at mark@catamountrealtygroup.com. I look forward to hearing from you.